Hey everyone, I hope you're having a good weekend and I hope you have a really great Labor Day. Glad it's a 3-day weekend. I'm ready for one. I have just a couple, I've already posted my overview video for the week and published it, but I have a few things that I wanted to point out. And the first one doesn't have anything really to do with the week, but there's been a pattern that I've seen with several students, not just in this class, but across different sections that I wanted to point out or I wanted to mention. So I don't have them here, but usually when you get on your home landing page of Canvas, there'll be a whole list of to-dos right here. And I have some students who are, once they land on Canvas, they're going right to the to-do list, and that's all they're focusing on is to just do those to-dos. And that makes for a very problematic situation because those don't contain, those kind of bypass a lot of the reading and the support material that I provide. So I want to remind you all that instead of doing that, to go over and go through modules, okay, so that you can see everything that is laid out for the week's activities, okay? The other thing I want to point out is right here on the overview, I've pushed back since we have Labor Day on Monday, and I just noticed I had some things due on Tuesday, and I thought that is going to be tough because I want you all to be able to relax on Monday a little bit. And so I've pushed them back a day, okay? And so there's nothing going to be due on Tuesday, but make sure that you get to work on Tuesday because I have, things due on Thursday and then Saturday. And this breakdown, this rhetorical breakdown for the article that you've chosen, that's going to take a little bit of time and effort. And so that's another reason why I wanted to push it back a little bit for you so you don't feel stressed and so that you actually do put some effort in that, because the more effort you put into this, the easier it's going to be to write about later on. So that's it. That's the only two. Have a really great Labor Day. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay. Bye-bye.